Hello everyone and welcome to the Sacramento Beer Show. I'm here again with another review. This is from the Belching Beaver Brewery down in Oceanside, California. Now this beer was brewed for their 5th anniversary celebration. This one was canned on the 2nd of November. Today is the 17th, making this half a month old, so super fresh. This is called Hoppy Night IPA. It's a IPA, so it's got some Starry Night inspired artwork on the can there. Pretty cool. Today I'm going to be using this Rastal Craft glass here with the Track 7 logo. Let's crack into this, shall we? Alright. Give that a pour. It's pouring slightly hazy there. Nice light straw color. Looking like pineapple juice. Little like sediment or something floating in there. Interesting. Huge bright white head on that. Definitely a huge head, sticking around quite well. I'd say this is a medium haziness factor to this beer. You can sort of see the haze particles suspended there in the beer. Fairly pretty looking, a little murky, but I can smell it already without even sticking my nose in it. But that being said, let's stick our nose in it, shall we? Ooh, big bright burst of tropical fruit and a ton of dankness at the same time. This is very green. It's very herbaceous, very resinous. This is definitely coming from a West Coast brewery, despite the appearance and the apparent juiciness on the nose that I'm expecting. So let's try it and see if the taste matches the nose. Medium mouthfeel. Definitely some nice body on this. Very bright, very juicy. A little cracker-like quality in the background and the finish. A decent amount of hop bittering as well. This isn't a one-dimensional juice bomb for juice sake. They are balancing those fresh hop, dry hop flavors with the bittering. Really well made beer. Pineapple, citrus, nice, really refreshing. 7%, fantastic. I'm gonna give this a 95 points. This is a solid A beer. Really good stuff, guys. So Belching Beaver, I've had one of their beers on the show before. They did that Phantom Bride collaboration with the Deftones, and that one was also, if memory serves me correctly, kind of similar to this in style, where they've got that hazy juiciness, but it is really hoppy and like bitter hoppy at the same time. Um, the appearance on this is kind of strange to me. I mean, there's like definitely like particulate floating in there, or like in suspension. So I wonder if that is like yeast in suspension. There are a few different ways to create a hazy beer. One is to use a strain of yeast that stays suspended. Another is to use different things like oats and whatnot to brew the beer. I think that's the first time I've really noticed that on a hazy beer, like with all the little like kind of floaties in there, which has maybe a little bit of a gross out factor, I guess, but like, I don't know. I wonder if I just haven't been looking closely enough on beers, or if it's just because I'm like shining this bright light through it. I don't know. But interesting to note. Interesting to note nonetheless. Hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Sacramento Beer Show. Please come back in the future, and to ensure that you don't miss any new episodes, please subscribe and turn on notifications for this channel, Sacramento Beer Show. That way you'll get notified as soon as a new episode is released, which happens at least once a week, if not more. So, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers.